So, everyone's been super busy, but welcome back to Quick Sixer. This is another episode of Brittany's Brew Review. This will be for what month is it? April 2026. Which is pretty rad. We haven't done one in a minute. So, let's see what B has for us to taste.
Um, I'm excited about this because it's gluten free. I don't know, and I've never seen this before. But I got it at the Madison Beverage Warehouse in Madison,
Okay.
super close to my house. But it's a New Planet, and it's a blonde.
New Planet
Ooh,
Blonde.
hmm From Colorado.
Okay.
Uh, I don't know, 100% vegan,
Yeah.
BPA free
Vegan.
lining, ultra
What is
filter,
it? What is it?
damn.
What is
vegan,
No, the
Pulling all the
lining?
stops.
BPA free lining. I'm
Oh,
assuming
okay.
in the can. Um,
Guess so.
but yeah, I don't know.
Um,
I was curious.
4.8 it says.
Yeah, which I think is appropriate
Yeah.
percentage.
It says it's lightly sweet with hints of corn and citrus, often
Whoa.
described as having a crisp
Corn.
finish. I
Yeah.
know.
Corn and citrus.
I didn't
Ingredients
see
in it
that on the
are
description.
ingredients are water, sorghum, brown rice extract, tapioca maltodextrin, orange peel, yucca extract, hops, and yeast. Okay.
That sounds terrible. All that
But
sounds
Ah,
so bad.
but won a gold medal at the 2017 Denver International Beer Competitions. That's a big deal.
Look
okay.
at those
That shit. That
bubbles.
looks like champagne.
Yeah.
It literally
Here.
looks like champagne.
Yeah.
The anti-IPA.
Right?
Right.
Yeah.
So many bubbles. Damn.
I mean, I'm gonna have 911 on standby. We don't know what the fuck's gonna happen to her.
It's so sparkly.
Yeah,
I
I
wasn't
couldn't do that.
expecting all that.
Thank you.
Um,
What do you think? Where are we going with this one?
it's weird because I was
It looks weird.
expecting like a classic blonde, you know,
Yeah,
but
not the case.
it's sparkly. It doesn't
Just
taste bad. Um, I don't know if it's
does
for
it
me
taste
though.
good though? Like where are we? Like where are we in the middle?
I don't know.
It
It's
says
too weird to
known as a light
decide.
drinking, easygoing ale, though some drinkers may find it light on flavor. Pours a
Huh.
light golden color with a thin white head.
I would say light on flavor is pretty. It's like a super light beer,
Okay.
but with bubbles.
Okay. All right.
I
I don't know.
haven't had a
It
blonde
says it
beer
has a
in so long.
Swedish grain aroma with slightly floral character. Would you agree? Do you
Um,
concur?
yeah, all of that
Oh,
makes sense. The floral is coming in on the ends, but
I see.
yeah.
I
But
see.
corn, floral,
Yeah. This thing's been around
interesting.
for a minute. 10 years. That's pretty crazy.
Damn.
Wow.
I
Yeah.
just
At least 10 years.
saw it was gluten free and all the other beers at the Madison Beverage Warehouse I'd already tried, so
Oh, sure.
I took a chance.
Well,
Yeah,
somebody says this is your go-to rafting, camping, and skiing companion.
Damn.
I would drink this floating down the river.
Yeah, okay. Man, I fuck with a river, a flow down a river. Huh. That's fun.
This would be a good one.
Okay. Okay.
It's very sparkly.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do the sparkle, bro. Like to be real, that it just like
So many bubbles.
immediately gives me like not indigestion, but like butt indigestion. Like I'm gonna get
Like
it.
in your chest.
Yeah, yeah. Like it's
Yeah.
gonna hurt. But all right, cool. So what are we giving it out of 5? What's our little rating?
Ooh,
Ugh, I love it.
I'll give it 2 point. I'll give it a 2.
Damn. A 2. Love it. Love it. Um. All right. Cool.
I
Well.
think I just wasn't expecting because it says say blonde, and like
Yeah.
Nathaniel said, like I haven't had a blonde in forever, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
like I remember it being a little bit more smooth,
Yep. That's
I
what I think
guess.
of. Yeah.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
it's I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah. Seems like a champagne-y kind of thing. And in my experience, most blondes were always like when you can get a really cold yet somehow almost flat beer is
Yeah,
what I'm used to with those.
Hmm.
yeah, exactly. This tastes like a Miller High Life
Mm.
champagne mixture. This tastes like a freaking uh what do they call it when they do the Miller High Life and the champagne?
Diarrhea.
Oh, a Manmosa.
A
Oh my
That's
Manmosa. All right.
that's what that is.
That is what this episode is gonna be called then. The Manmosa.
God.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right, cool. Well,
weird as
Brittany's
hell.
giving it a 2. Go check it out. New Planet Blonde Ale. Seems like it's everywhere. It's on the best gluten beers websites all over the place. So go check it out. And then we'll come back next month ish, maybe. And we'll see what else.
Yeah,
Maybe not a gluten free beer this time. But no, I'm
no.
kidding. No, gluten free is actually probably good. It won't get you as bloated as from what I've had in my time with them.
Hmm.
They're just not as flavorful as you'd want.
Yeah,
But
feel that.
you rolled the dice on that one, so we'll see how
I
B
did. I'm
does.
not mad. I'll drink the rest of them. It's cool. It's fine.
All right. Well, that's that. Come back next month. Brittany's Brew Review here on Quick Sixer. We out.